Welcome to the future of green driving, where electric innovation meets cinematic design on modern USA roads. This is EcoDrive X, a fully electric car built with sustainable engineering, futuristic performance. Every curve is engineered to reduce drag, improve efficiency, and deliver a smooth cinematic driving. Solar panels on the roof capture renewable energy, extending range and supporting a cleaner electric. Advanced LED headlights enhance visibility and safety while adding a bold futuristic cinematic presence. Regenerative braking converts motion into energy, recharging the battery while driving smoothly and silently. Seamless door motion blends futuristic engineering with comfort and elegant cinematic design. Inside, a minimalist dashboard combines holographic displays with intuitive cinematic controls. Autopilot HUD analyzes lanes and traffic in real time, enabling safer cinematic hands-free driving. Eco-friendly seats made from recycled materials provide luxury comfort with sustainable innovation. The smart touchscreen centralizes vehicle control inside a sleek cinematic digital interface. Climate-adaptive seats maintain comfort automatically while preserving energy efficiency. A high-capacity lithium battery delivers long range with silent and reliable cinematic performance. Dual electric motors produce instant torque for smooth acceleration and precise cinematic control. Energy flows efficiently from battery to wheels through advanced electric power distribution. The intelligent cooling system protects performance while maintaining long-term cinematic reliability. Every braking moment recharges the battery, extending range and improving electric efficiency. City driving feels effortless with silent motion, zero emissions, and smooth cinematic handling. On highways, EcoDrive X delivers stability, speed, and efficiency for cinematic long-distance travel. Eco mode optimizes energy usage, extending driving range while maintaining smooth performance. With up to 350 miles per charge, this EV redefines freedom through efficiency and innovation. Compared to gasoline cars, EcoDrive X consumes far less energy with superior performance. Collision avoidance detects obstacles instantly, protecting passengers through advanced safety systems. Lane assist keeps the vehicle centered, delivering confidence and cinematic driving stability. Emergency braking responds instantly, preventing accidents with intelligent safety technology. Advanced airbags deploy precisely, ensuring maximum protection through smart engineering. Night vision assist improves visibility, making nighttime driving safer and more controlled. This electric vehicle reduces carbon emissions by over 70% compared to gas cars. Drivers save hundreds of gallons of fuel yearly through efficient electric mobility. Renewable charging allows clean energy to power every cinematic driving experience. Recycled materials reduce environmental impact while maintaining premium build quality. Every mile driven leaves a smaller footprint, supporting a greener future. As the sun sets, EcoDrive X moves forward into the cinematic electric future. EcoDrive X stands for innovation, sustainability, and the future of transportation. Subscribe now to explore more cinematic 3D car explainers and green innovations.